Today on The Lawyer You Know, I'm going to tell you how to prevent insurance companies from denying your car insurance claims. There are all sorts of legitimate reasons for denying car insurance claims. However, these sneaky insurance companies use technicalities all the time to deny claims from customers that pay those high premiums every month. I'm going to go through 5 of those today, and then I'm going to tell you how to combat those technicalities that may get your claims denied. First, if you move or change addresses, that can be buying a new house, changing where you rent from, moving in any sort of way and not notifying your insurance company is a reason they can deny your claims in the future. Now, this may seem weird since it's your car insurance and you're moving houses. Why does it matter? Well, the insurance companies have it in their contracts that they can deny your claim if you change addresses and don't notify them. Number 2, if you buy a new car. This can be swapping out your old car or buying an additional car. If you don't tell them when you purchase new vehicles, they can technically deny your claims. Third, if your driver's license is suspended. Now, this may seem obvious. You shouldn't be driving if your driver's license is suspended. However, there are some times where you might not know your driver's license is even suspended. It's even happened to me. I got a red light ticket from a red light camera, which I obviously didn't know about, and they were sending the tickets and the fines and the notices to my old address. Well, my license ended up getting suspended and I got pulled over one day for speeding, and the cop looks at me and says, "Your license is suspended." Now, luckily I knew that cop and he told me to go to the courthouse and take care of it, which I did. But if I were to have gotten into a car accident with that license suspension that I didn't even know about, my insurance company, which I pay for every month, could have denied any claim I had from some serious car accident because my license was technically suspended even though I didn't know about it. Number 4, if you fail to report an accident within a reasonable period of time. Now, a lot of people just say, I don't want to involve my insurance company. I don't want my premiums to go up. Let's just handle it cash, handle it under the table, whatever it may be. Well, if the insurance company finds out about that, they can deny your claims for failing to report an accident within a reasonable period of time. And they can use this technicality to not pay future claims. And lastly, which again, number 5 may seem obvious, if you miss one payment. Now, if you miss one payment, they can deny all claims. Even if you start making payments again after. You miss January, then you pay February, March. Well, they can say you missed January, therefore we're denying all claims after January. They don't have to let you make up those payments. They don't have to notify you. It doesn't matter. If you miss payments, they can deny claims, and they will and do deny these kinds of claims. Now, these insurance companies are sneaky. They're going to use technicalities. They're business. They're all about the bottom line. They're all about the mighty dollar. If they can make more money off you, then they will. But you can use that to your advantage. So the first thing you can do to prevent these denials is notify your insurance company about all these things. Notify them when you move, have a change of address. Notify them if you buy any new vehicles. Notify them of any accidents that you have. And I mean, this is a good common practice, especially if you're not at fault. Tell them about the accident. Your premium may or may not go up, but at least they're going to know it was a not at fault accident and they can document it and move forward. So notifying them of everything that's going on, reading the documents and the contracts that you signed for your car insurance will really help in preventing these claim denials for technicalities in the future. The second way you can prevent these insurance claim denials is to ask them, fine, if it's too late and they've already denied your coverage because you've changed addresses and you didn't report it and you got in an accident, you can say, what's the reason for denying this coverage? And they can say, well, you moved and didn't report it. And you can say, well, yeah, I moved 18 months ago. So if you weren't going to provide me coverage since the day that I moved, I'm going to need that 18 months of premiums refunded to me. And insurance companies are going to look at you and say, what? And you say, well, you haven't been providing this coverage for the last 18 months and I've been paying for it. Therefore, I need my money back because you're saying the coverage is denied. And I'd be willing to bet they'd much rather pay whatever your incident is and whatever your claim is now versus refunding you 18 months of premiums. But that's just the ticket. They can't say these technical denials are going to happen just the day you have the accident. They haven't been providing this coverage since you've technically breached the contract, bought a new car, had a fender bender you didn't report, had a driver's license suspended, missed one payment, whatever it may be. They stopped providing coverage at that point according to this technical denial that they're giving you now. So you can always ask for a refund of the premiums and put the pressure on them to give you money one way or the other. You're not walking out of here without some money. Either they're paying your claim or they're giving you your premiums back because they've been flushing them down the toilet and lighting them on fire, taking your money and not providing any benefit for you. So hopefully this helps you guys. And if you have any questions about coverage denial or claim denial, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. I'm happy to talk further in the future about it. If you like this content, please like this video. If you want to see more, subscribe to our page so you can get alerted whenever a new video comes out. And thanks for being with us.